Okay, so my daughter loves water, same as any kid really. My daughter's autistic, so she loves playing with a mud kitchen. So I printed her off a frying pan, a spatula and a saucepan, and she absolutely loves it. I found all these on Maker World. Brilliant toys. She plays for hours with them. So yeah, the saucepan will start doing the time lapse in a second, and then I'll show you the set. There goes the saucepan. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll keep making them.